Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com bringing to you today some beautiful, solid Acacia, also known as Asian walnut. This is a 5-inch 3/4 solid hand scrape. Very beautiful floor. Every board is a work of art. And this is a section that we have racked out here on the showroom floor for display purposes. You can go to our website and go search for NH255. We call this the Acacia Haze. We've got a large section racked out here to show you a lot of the variation expected with this species. This is a small leaf Acacia, so it is the denser, more harder version of this species. Now this is not a natural. If it was natural, the lighter parts would be more like a golden blonde, but because it has a slight tint on it, and that is why we call it haze, because it's kind of like it has a haze of color on top. It really helps subdue down those striking blonde parts to where when you're looking at the floor overall, it kind of just blends better. This is considered to be an exotic, so again it's up there more in the higher hardness rating on the Janka scale. But it is just an amazing, beautiful floor. Every plank has got some really neat, interesting character. I'm going to get closer in here and just show you some of the more unique parts. Look at that one. Really neat character on that. This has a rolled pillow edge. So a lot of solid floors will have a beveled edge. This one is just a gently rolled in edge. They call it a pillowed edge. So again, you can find this on our website under model number NH255. We have samples there for you, so you can certainly click and buy some samples. This product's typically in stock and ready to go and delivers to most locations within 5 to 7 business days. So check us out at WeShipFloors.com. We look forward to assisting you with your next flooring project. Thank you so much.